Imagine you're running a business that works with vendors, partners, and customers. These users aren't part of your internal organization, but they still need secure access to your apps or resources. That's where Microsoft Entra External ID steps in. External ID is part of the Microsoft Entra product family. It allows you to securely manage access for external users, like customers and partners, while giving them a seamless and trusted sign-in experience. As an identity leader or administrator, you need to manage not just your internal users, but also a wide range of external people, like partners, vendors, consultants, and customers. That's where Microsoft Entra External ID becomes your ally. It lets you securely manage access for users outside your organization without the need to create and maintain separate accounts for them. When collaborating with partners and suppliers, you often need to give them access to your project tools or resources. Instead of onboarding them into your directory, you can simply let them use their own identity provider, whether it's Microsoft, Google, Facebook, or a SAML-based system. This not only streamlines collaboration, but also keeps access secure and controlled. For example, you can provide a partner team access to a shared SharePoint site or project app with minimal effort on your part. If you're building apps for customers, External ID supports a variety of sign-in options that suit different use cases. Your customers can authenticate using social logins, one-time passcodes sent to email, or even custom identity providers. This flexibility improves the user experience and reduces friction, making it easier for people to interact with your brand. Picture a retail customer signing into your loyalty app using their Gmail account. No new password to remember, no new account to manage. One of the biggest advantages is that you don't need to manage external users' passwords. Since these users bring their own credentials, you eliminate the need for password resets, MFA policy enforcement, and account recovery processes. This reduces your help desk burden and tightens your security posture by lowering the identity attack surface. Imagine how many support tickets you can avoid just by letting guests use the credentials they already trust. You also gain the benefit of unified governance. Whether users are internal or external, you can apply conditional access policies, monitor sign-ins, detect risks, and enforce compliance rules from a single platform. You maintain full visibility and control. For instance, you can require partner users to complete MFA before accessing financial systems, just like you do for your employees. Finally, Entra External ID lets you deliver a consistent and professional sign-in experience. You can customize the login screen with your organization's logo, colors, and support links, creating a trusted and branded entry point for every user, whether they're an employee or a customer. That small detail goes a long way in building user confidence and reinforcing your digital identity. When you're planning how to manage external identities, it's important to recognize that not all external users are the same. Microsoft groups these needs into two major categories, so you can apply the right strategy based on who you're working with. If you're collaborating with partners, vendors, or suppliers, you're dealing with a business-to-business, B2B scenario. In this case, you want to enable secure access to your resources without treating these users as part of your internal workforce. You can let them sign in using their existing credentials while still applying your security and governance policies. On the other hand, if you're creating apps or services for end customers, you're working in a business-to-customer B2C model. This requires a more scalable and customizable approach. You want to give your users flexible sign-in options, such as social logins or email-based one-time passcodes, while maintaining a seamless brand experience. Your decision depends on who you're engaging with and how much control and customization you need. By understanding the type of external identity use case, You can choose the right Microsoft Entra solution to fit your goals. When you're enabling secure access for partners or customers, you rely on the right set of technologies to make it seamless. Microsoft Entra provides multiple tools to help you manage external identities efficiently and securely. You can start by using Microsoft Entra ID B2B if your goal is to collaborate with external organizations inside your Microsoft 365 or Azure environment. This approach is perfect when you need to work with partners, suppliers, or vendors. They can use their existing credentials while you retain control through access policies and governance tools. If you're building customer-facing apps, then Microsoft Entra External ID for Customers is what you need. It gives you the full power of CIM, Customer Identity and Access Management. This means you can support a variety of sign-in methods, scale to millions of users, and customize the sign-in experience to reflect your brand. For even greater flexibility, you can take advantage of federated identity support. This allows external users to sign in using their existing identity systems, whether it's SAML, OpenID Connect, or OAuth 2. It's a powerful way to adopt a bring-your-own identity model while still enforcing your security policies. With these technologies in your toolkit, you can design an external identity strategy that fits your business needs, whether you're collaborating across enterprises or engaging directly with customers. So, what's your key takeaway? You no longer have to manage external users like you did 10 years ago. With Microsoft Entra External ID, you're giving your partners and customers the right access, at the right time, through secure and scalable identity infrastructure. This is a must-have capability in any modern identity strategy because trust doesn't stop at the edge of your organization.